night trip. Today is the chilling day to Hajiman and Hatta.
We are here at the one of Turkish sea view restaurant called Sultan Saray here at Ajman. We ordered some royal breakfast, so we're gonna have a taste about what being a royal is like. And then after this, we're gonna head to the Hatta and we're gonna have some other actions for you guys.
Alright, let's enjoy the royal breakfast with us.
I used to wonder if I could be someone else, but I wasn't fooling anybody but myself. People, they'll pull you in so many different ways, and I was just looking around hoping I'd find my place. And now I see the light. When it's dark out, I will light up. I got something no one else does. Oh, I can be someone. I can shine now, know where I'm from. I'll take my bow, lift my hands up. Oh, I can be someone. I swam to the deep end and found myself over my head.
How I wish these leaves would fall. How I wish these leaves would fall. That means winter be here. When it snows, you disappear. How I wish these tears would fall. How I wish these tears would fall. 'Cause my wits have found their end, and the days are getting shorter, and I'm lonely again. Homecoming lights, they burn so bright. I used to dream of her in white.
This is just like a bagel, but you use it to dip in every dish.
And here are the complimentary items. So you come with a tea, a pudding, some dessert. I think this is a chocolate baklava, and also an entire plate of fruits. So it's really nice, man. Free food.
Send them chills down my spine.
Time stopped around you. You
we are in Hatta, Dubai right now. So Hatta is where UAE connects to Oman. It has beautiful mountains here. There are many activities that you can do here. There's hiking, mountain biking, as well as kayaking. But don't forget that though, so the kayaking is actually closed right now. It opens in January. Look at that donkey, what is she doing? Huh? She's being naughty. Naughty, naughty little donkey. Oh, I think he saw us. Hello, donkey. But yeah, if you do have a chance to come to UAE, you must visit Hatta. It's very different compared to the rest of the UAE, especially the rest of Dubai. Yeah, if you like nature and exploring, definitely come out here. And let's have fun. I think we're gonna go mountain biking a little bit, and then maybe go shoot some archeries later. So let's see. So we just got done with the mountain biking, and we are here for some archery here. You know, they usually call me Modern Robin Hood, so let's see how it goes.
Not bad. I use right hand. Round 3 competition.
Yes, sir. So after we failed the archery class, we're here for the axe. Yeah, axe showing. Yep. Oh, yeah.
Get together? Yeah.
the X King. You can be the next. Just like that. Yep, she has failed. She has failed the test to the game. She has been kicked out. Guys, even though I failed the archery class miserable, I think I'm the master of axe chopping.
Alright guys, although we couldn't do the kayaking today as planned, but we still had so much fun.
Yeah, there's still so much going on over here. I mean, we did archery, mountain biking, axe throwing. So make sure that you guys come and check out the Wadi Hub here at Hatta. Even though that you guys might still be going to the kayaking place. Yeah, that's about it for today's video. As always, don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe to this channel. We'll see you guys later.
Bye guys!